ABK app not working? Follow these quick fixes. We'll get you back in under a minute. First, force close the app and reopen it. If that doesn't help, restart your phone. Next, open the App Store or Play Store and update the ABK app if an update is available. If you still see errors, clear the app cache and temporary data from your phone settings. Check app permissions next. Allow storage, location, and background data if the app requests them. Test your connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or toggle airplane mode to refresh the network. If issues continue, uninstall the ABK app and reinstall it to replace possibly corrupted files. Also check your phone's system updates. An outdated OS can cause app compatibility issues. Try logging out and back in, or test the app on another device to narrow down the problem. Before contacting support, take screenshots of errors, note your app version and the exact error message. Quick recap: restart, update, clear cache, check permissions in network, then reinstall if needed. Still stuck? Contact ABK support via the in-app help, call customer service, or visit a branch. We're here to help.